Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's session is about how to set the cell formula in the Excel, and the steps involved in that Excel to set the cell formula is first one, we have to open the Excel, and then under the number package assign is there, we have to assign number 2 to a number, and then loop going to start for each row in Excel, and then set the cell formula action under the Excel advanced package, and then number increment by 1. So let's quickly create the bot. So here the first step is Excel Advanced open, and the Excel Advanced I am having the open option. Drag and drop that. Here the desktop file. This is my Excel where I am going to set the cell formula. The cell formula will be equal to if A2 is greater than B2, then the value it will return as true, else the value will return as false. This is my formula. So A2 is greater than B2, it will return as true, else it will false. So this is one. So this is the formula. How to apply this formula inside our automation anywhere like that. So I will go to the bot. Here we have to update our desktop file of this Excel. You have to paste your set cell formula Excel what we have opened there here, and my next step will be and make sure the session name of default and the sheet contain header. My next step is number package. Under the number package I am having the assign function. So assign number 2. Number package, assign function, number 2. The destination variable will be, we have to assign this number 2 to a variable called row number. Save this. Why I am assigning number 2 here is it's going to loop through the each row in this Excel. So my row number will start from 2. So that's why I am assigning number 2 to the row number here. Then my next step is under the loop package each row in a Excel. Okay. Enter the loop. Drag and drop the loop. Each row in a Excel of Excel Advanced. Make sure it's Excel Advanced. Each row in a worksheet and loop through all the row. And the session name is default, and this will store under the variable called record variable. Excel row, my record variable name is Excel row. Create and select, just save it. And my next step is under the Excel Advanced set cell formula. Okay, set cell formula, there is an option called set cell formula. Under the Excel Advanced package set cell formula, drag and drop inside the loop, and here you have to give the specific cell. The specific cell will be it's starting from the row number 2, and we have to put the cell formula in the C column, so C2. So we have to specify the cell as C $, and inside this we have to specify this row number what we have assigned in the second step. So the row number, it will be show some error, so we have to convert this. This is already in a number variable, so we have to convert this to a string variable. So that just put dot here, number to string will be there. Dot to, if you type dot to here, there will be a number to string. You can click this, so the error is gone. So this number row number is under the variable called number variable. So I am going to just convert this number variable to a string variable. Okay, now C2, it's going to be on a C2, and the cell formula will be equal to A2 A. Okay, if A is a static one, inside this put the row number dot to string. if A2 is greater than B2. Row number, this also showing here a dot to string. If A2 is greater than B2, then what is our last step? Comma, return the value as true. A2 is greater than B2, then return the value as true. Close the else, false. Close the bracket. So our formula is ready. If A2 is greater than B2 is true, else false. This is my formula. We have to set the cell formula like this. Save it, and my next step is under the number package, increment the number by 1. Why I am incrementing the number by 1 is, here it will be of A2 is greater than or B2, and then if this cell goes to here, if it loop to the second third row, and now it will increment by 1, like 2 plus 1 is 3. So A3 plus A3 is greater than B3. It will come like that. So my next step will be increment. Under the number package, increment, inside the loop, the enter the number will be what we have in the second step, what we have assigned. Increment under the number package, increment by 1. So then enter the number will be what we are having in the second step as a row number. This one will be the source number of the enter number. Click F2, row number, insert, increment the value by 1, and again I am going to assign the same into the row number itself. Then save it. Okay. Now okay, we can delete this and we can run the bot. Just save it, close it. We can run the bot. Okay, it shows successful. So if we go here, so it's set the cell formula of A2 is greater than B2. If I go here, A3 B3, so if I go here, so the formula is correct. And once again, for checking up, we can put one message box to show you the formula here. Okay, I will copy this formula and put this in a message box. So here we can able to understand what is the formula it's going to execute now. Let me close this, delete this. So the message box shows us the first formula for C2 will be of if A2 is greater than B2, true, else false. That is the formula for the C2 cell. Close it. So this one as false because 10 is lesser than 20. So for C3 it's showing this formula. Let me close it. True, true, false. Okay, my bot ran successfully. This is how you have to set the cell formula through each row in the Excel sheet. So thank you. Subscribe to my channel for more videos.